The whole project started because I was looking for a Ford four-cylinder motor for another project. The original Pinto was purchased by this little lady in 1974 in Boise, Idaho. The Pinto had very little rust in it, as you can see from the floor. We began by constructing a roll bar out of 1.5" 120 tubing. For triangulation on the roll bar, we ended up using 120 tubing and circled the entire bed of the truck. The roll bar and the perimeter tubing were welded to the cab of the truck to make it extra solid. The new bed was skinned with 18 gauge metal. The philosophy was to make the truck solid, quiet, and as comfortable as possible, and keep it simple. Everything was fabricated in the curves to minimize the use of mud in the car. The rear spring perches were tied to the front clip with a 3 by 1.5 inch piece of metal. Built a new grille out of aluminum stock and added LED headlights. We also decided that we'd make the windshield a flush mount. We also decided to make the dash look a little different by adding a console. So used odometer gauges with a GPS speedometer. We're going to use a leather steering wheel with a tilt column. We're also putting new Recaro seats in it. We're adding air and power steering. The fuse box and a battery tender were added behind the seats. The motor was freshened up. We'll use headers and a Holley 2-barrel carburetor. We added bigger rotors and a 5-bolt pattern to match the 8-inch Ford rear end. Hopefully we'll be on the road by May of 18.